Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to talk about Metamask wallet and why we use it. Not only that, as we promised in the last video, we will show you how to send your token from a centralized exchange like Binance to your wallet Metamask. So we are going to transfer the Ethereum that we bought in the last video. If you haven't watched it, please check the link below. So let's start it, shall we? So let's start with basic definition of crypto wallet. The wallet has been designed so that user, which means you, can do transaction on the blockchain safely and accurately. It is similar like a banking app or a credit card where you don't actually have money in your banking app or credit card, but it has a record of all the transactions or the total amount of money that is in your account, which means it kept a record of your transaction. Similarly, when it comes to crypto wallet, it do the same thing but on blockchain. The main function of crypto wallet is to explore or perform transaction easily, securely, and privately. Wallet does not hold any actual cryptocurrencies. Instead, it holds the public and the private key information needed to carry out crypto transaction. Simply saying, private key and public key are the technical term which we use to secure our transactions. Initially, if you don't understand public and private key difference or what they are, it's not a problem. These are the terms that we going to explore more further in the future. So let's start with the public key versus private key. So public key is similar as your bank account number, which means if you want that somebody send money to your bank account, either you give them your email address or you give them your bank account number. In the same way, when you're doing transaction on blockchain, you need an address on which you will send assets from one person to another person. So remember, in the last video, I show you where you can access your address. So that address is the public key that you can send to anybody without having doubt in your mind that somebody will steal your money just by providing your public key. So now once you know what is public key and why it is important, similarly, when we created a wallet, I told you to keep your keys safely. You need to know how important private keys are. If you don't have this private key, it means you don't own that wallet. Only with the private key, you can access your wallet. So now we will talk about different kind of wallet and then why we use them. Broadly speaking, there are two kind of wallet, software or hardware. Each of them function a bit differently. When it comes to hardware wallet, they look exactly like USB stick. Those hardware wallets are one of the most secure way to keep your crypto safe. So we call hardware wallet a cold wallet because it's not attached to internet, it's separate from the network or computers. There is a one more kind of wallet which comes in a hardware wallet, which is paper wallet, but as that technology is really old, I will not recommend you to use that wallet for any of your transaction as of now. The second type of wallet is software wallet, or you can call them hard wallet. These software wallet comes in a three different form. One is desktop wallet, one is mobile wallet, and third is web wallet. Desktop wallet is like a software that you install in your computer and use them as a software. They are way more secure than any of your mobile or web wallet. Mobile wallet that you can install as an app which will keep your cryptocurrencies safe in your wallet. There is a third kind of wallet, which is web wallet. One of the example of web wallet is Metamask that you install in your Google Chrome as an extension. Even in when it comes to a hard wallet, you can further categorize them in two different categories. One is hosted wallet. They're simple and easy to set up. These wallets are hosted directly on the exchange where you can buy crypto, or we can call them an exchange wallet as well. Even if you forget your keys, your exchange can recover it for you. Your information would be capped and accessed online, which make it potentially vulnerable for hackers. So when we say hosted wallet, which means you don't own your keys, which means you don't have control on your keys. So which bring us to the second kind of wallet, and we call them non-custodial wallets. A non-custodial wallet allows you to have complete control over your crypto without any third party involved. There are more freedom because you can create multiple accounts on these wallet. When it's non-custodial, you are free to take your wallet anywhere. You are the master of your assets, and it gives you more freedom. Generally, nobody can stop you to do transaction if you own your cryptocurrency. Not a government, non exchange, none of them. So why we install Metamask, or you can say why we install non-custodial wallet? Well, they give us more freedom and more privacy than any other wallet. They are more accessible if you want to do frequent transaction and you want to have a smooth ride without delay or any security concerns. Hot wallet is your friend. So if you are a gamer, trader, or an explorer, you should use Metamask, which will help you in future to create your financial freedom. So hopefully after these explanation, you have a good idea about what is wallet and why we use them. So we will transfer these assets into our newly created wallet that we done in last videos. So once you are on this page, you can see Ethereum over here. You click withdraw. Okay, everyone. So this is one of the most important part that we have to understand. So normally when you send a text to your friend, you need either his name, phone number, or email ID to send that text. In similar way, when you are doing any transaction on blockchain, you need a wallet address, which means sending money from one place to another place is as simple as sending a text message to your friend. But for that, we need a wallet address. So now question is, where will you find that wallet address? So are you ready to know? Dun-dun-dun! You click on MetaMask and you click on this account. And once you put your cursor on it, it will ask you to copy it. This is the address that we are talking about. It's like your contact name or an address where we will send you a text. But we are not sending you a text, we are sending money. So this is serious business, so be careful when you're copying it. Once it's copied, you paste it here. So once you fill up your address here, after that, you have to select the network. So as we created a MetaMask, we will use the network, which is Ethereum. Here you can see how much fees it's getting and how much time it will take. I'm doing it for educational purposes, so I don't mind paying that much fees, but we have other options where fees is very low. If you want to know more about fee rules, you can click over here. And on this page, you can get all the information that you need and how much fees it will take for any transaction. So now we are going to select Ethereum as a network and we're going to fill up our MetaMask wallet by sending Ethereum. I would suggest you will always start by small amount. You test it with the $10 or something, $20. So choose your network, click here, and you select how much Ethereum you want to send to MetaMask wallet. So here, this is the value. This is this much Ethereum I'm going to send it to my MetaMask, and this would be my fee. Okay guys, go back and recap. First of all, there's Ethereum. You have to choose the coin that you want to send. Then you have to choose the address of your personal MetaMask wallet. After that, you have to select where you are sending your asset. So over here, I copied my MetaMask wallet address and then I chose the network. And I put my value over here, how much Ethereum I want to send, and then I'm ready to go. So whenever you're ready, just click withdraw. Okay, Binance take care of your money. So here, Binance is giving you some warnings which you need to follow and check before doing any transaction. So I would say take your time. And then once you are satisfied, click confirm. Here, we got all the information that we needed. It's just confirming us, are you sure you want to do that? It's just confirming again, because it could be like, maybe you're drunk and you're doing this. So he's just taking care of you. So you click continue. So here I have to fill up these codes to get money in my account. So once you click get code, you will get a code on your phone, and all these functions depends on your security settings, which we will see soon in future videos. Let me put the code here. Okay, once you fill up both the code, just click submit and hit complete, and it's done. If you want to know what is happening with your transaction, you wait over here where it's saying processing, and it will take 12 transactions to confirm. So here you can see your transaction is still in process, and you want to know more about transaction, you click this small arrow, and here you can see on which stage your transaction is. It's very pretty cool stuff, and it's easy, but takes some time. So once you're on this page, wait for your transaction to get approved, and then we will move forward from there. Okay guys, you should get a notification on your phone once it gets approved, and then you refresh. So now it's been completed. Now we have to check our Metamask to see if you have money in your Metamask. Drum rolls please. And you click on Metamask. Look at this, just like magic. You have found Ethereum in your Metamask. Isn't it magic? We have done that in few minutes. Are you excited to see this? So you should be very proud that you are on this stage. There are a few things, few points that you should remember and you should take care of. So one is that we have sent Ethereum on Metamask by choosing the Ethereum network, which took like $18. We send it $50 of Ethereum and we only get $36 worth of Ethereum, which is a big amount because we are doing this transaction on Ethereum. But don't worry guys, this is just one blockchain. We have multiple options. We have multiple cheaper options where we can do the same transaction but with less fee. So to check this out, let's do the same process on Solana, and then we will see how much fee it takes. Let's meet in the next video for the part 2 where we do multiple transactions from exchange. So that's it for today. I hope that video helped you to be more confident about transactions between centralized exchange and non-custodial wallet Metamask. I know it could be complicated for few people. If you keep following this channel, you will feel more confident about these transactions. More transaction you will do, more you will feel confident, and then everything will be a smooth ride after that. You just have to be comfortable with the process. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to leave your comments, as I always like to read them. I need those feedback from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, watch, share, whatever you feel like. Thanks again. Be safe.